Yeah. Yeah.
Hi lovies, I'm back, and today I'm actually going to be doing a talk through video. This is a wig tutorial slash try on slash girl talk session, you know, because I like talking to y'all. I like talking to the videos. I think the last few videos I did, like, they are more professional, and you know, you get the whole like details and preparation and all that. But I like talking to y'all. I like talking and saying, you know, the first thing that comes to my mind. And my lip gloss came off, but oh well. So I did have a wig on before because I did a tutorial, I did a unboxing for finess.com, so you can definitely link that above and we can talk about it. But I want to go ahead, and this is a wig that I actually bought my own, and I've been eyeing it for a while, so I want to talk about it. This is an oldie but goodie. I feel like, you know, you have those old units that everybody is always gonna love. So you have like for example, the Kitron Kitron wig. I forgot who it was by. I believe it was by Altray. Don't quote me, but the Kitron wig was the bomb wig. Everybody wanted that wig. The Noel wig, Brooklyn, like those wigs, like they're always going to be a go-to wig, you know. So this is a hard one to do. As you can see, it's like storm color, so storm from X-Men Silver, and this is by Motown Trust. It's Let's Lace wig, extra deep part, 25% longer parts. I think this is like the beginning when wigs started trying to get the parts to look more realistic. And so this wig is an oldie but goodie. So being that it is old, it does come with hard lace, and I was aware of that, so I'm not really tripping on the hard lace. It is rough on your edges. I saw this wig and I've been eyeing it for the blonde color it came in, and I wonder if they got the color name on here. Oh yeah, so it's on the model. She's wearing the T27/20 or 613, and everybody wanted the color. I remember for the longest it was sold out, but then I saw the silver and I was like, I haven't worn a silver wig in forever. I have not worn a silver wig in forever. So this is a side part wig. It's a weird side part. It's like a side part but not really a side part. We may try to like adjust it so where it's in the middle. I don't know. So it has two combs in the front, on the sides where it should be, where God ordained it to be, and a comb in the back with the adjustable straps. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off. I wanted this wig for my birthday, and I'm trying to get more. Like, I've been rocking my human hair wigs, and while I've grown to love human hair, even though they are a lot more maintenance with the securing the wig and all that, it's like I wanted to take it back, you know, to my synthetic wigs, because, you know, those are my trusty, faithful. Like, I've done so many things with synthetic wigs. Like, you can do a lot of things. You can dye synthetic wigs. I may dye this wig, you know. You can use fabric dyes to dye them. So I'm just like, yeah, I'm gonna take it back, oldie but goodie type style, with the synthetics. So I haven't been wearing them because it's kind of like taboo when you wear synthetic wigs for some reason. People, oh, it's not human. Like, people are so fake bougie. And so I have my selected human hair wigs that I made when I got my income tax. I bought some wigs for myself. I treated myself, but I haven't bought any human hair since then. But if there's any vendors out there that want to, you know, older sister down, let me know. So yeah, so here we are with this. This hair is very soft, and it has the curls, nice loose curls on the end. So it's gonna be really hard trying to work with this. What I'm also gonna do first is put the wig on and try to pluck the part, because the part is a little tight. Well, it is tight, not just a little. So I have her on. Ooh, see, this part is a wild. Okay. Well, my hairline, let me tell y'all, my hairline, and I'm the weirdo that like researches everything, so my hairline is really, for some reason, I'm trying to figure out like where did I get this hairline from. My hairline comes out, extends here, but it is deep up here. On both sides it extends. And I shave it down, but I said I was gonna stop shaving it down. So they are growing back in slowly but surely. But that area was always like thin, so I didn't have a problem shaving it down. But it's just, I don't know how to deal with it, especially when it comes to my wig.
Got my head all in the ceilings. Roll me up like 2 blunts. Got me feeling some type of way. Told you we were cool, I didn't like you. And the only thing that I got.
Okay, so did that, and then right. So now what we're gonna do, before I make the baby hairs, I'm gonna brush it out and show y'all the wig. Okay, so now what we're going to do next is create the baby hairs. I think I'm going to try, actually, you know what? Because this is really silly to me. And I can flat iron it down because it's kind of humpy right there. So, let me go ahead and make the baby hairs.
It's the feeling that we've been feeling. Faded, faded, faded. All because of you. Loving how we kick it. Can't nobody fuck with you. We gon' break the rules. Do this shit, what happened? Why you do me this way? I just can't help myself. So baby, tonight I'll give you overtime. I'ma tell you what's on my mind. 'Cause the truth is too hard to find. So I'll be.
But as far as the hair quality, while we're waiting for the flat iron or the wand curler to heat up, it's really soft. I put my fingers through it. Yeah, just like one snag or two, but that's normal. Being as though it is a long unit, I love the fact that there's the gray hair underneath the silver. I think that was really nice, like a nice like undertones thing. So kudos to them. This is high heat resistant fibers up to 400 degrees. I have my wine curler on 340. Okay, I'm back. So I went ahead and tried to redo this, and what I did was I took it off, took the makeup I had off, and I took a makeup wipe and rubbed my hair like that until most of the makeup came off. Well, the majority, because it was like really showing. And I wiped the makeup off my perimeter. You can probably see a little bit here, which is fine. It looks like I, you know, contour my forehead because my highlight shade is obviously always lighter than my skin tone, and my forehead is darker than the rest of my face. But I went ahead and shifted it back to the side because the way it was laying, it was really uncomfortable with it being a hard lace. And I laid the baby hairs again. I didn't lay them all the way to the edge because my the wig is like longer than my head, but this side works fine. I don't know why this side is like, it's bothering my ear, you know? So I just laid them up until this point. But this is the side that is always gonna be like covered because of the hair. I actually love this. The color, I never thought I would try this color. I may like flat iron her out in the near future and just rock it straight, because for me, when it comes to color, I don't really care for a lot of curls, like big curls and stuff, or any type of bend to the hair. I don't know why. That's just me. But what was I getting ready to say? So yeah, like again, this hair is a silky texture. It's going to tangle, but it hasn't been tangling as much as I thought it would tangle. And I like it. I've been eyeing this unit for months now, and I finally got it, and I love it. It's a nice like natural density. For me, natural hair isn't really like super thick, so unless it's like a yaki texture. So to get some silky thick hair like this is like, it gotta be fake, you know. So I like the texture of it. I'm trying to find something because this one piece is irritating me. There we go. So I like the texture of it. I like the look of it. I feel real like rich right now, because I don't know why, like this hair make me feel like I paid some money for the bundles. It does. So let me see if I can turn around. Density is a natural density. Okay, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, go ahead and hit that notification button also, so you can be notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks for watching.